Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, on Tuesday don't pay surprise visit to two Bendel Insurance FC star players wey be Amas Obasogie and Sunday Anyanwu. But this week, the Nigerian national senior footballer, Super Eagles goalkeeper Amas Obasogie and Bendel Insurance central defender Sunday Anyanwu as the former captain of Bendel Insurance wey still be the Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Philip Shaibu, show for their house. As these two players give Oga Shaibu warm welcome, Oga Shaibu come appreciate them and give them charge say anytime they put on their kit, make them make sure to put in all their effort sake of say they don't know who they watch them from any corner. Oga Shaibu continue talk say for the 2 times where them play away match and for the continent, show say them don't already dey for the high class and can't commend them for their exploits.
That's what I was telling you. So you don't know who is watching every match. Even in training, it's important. But you don't know who is watching. It's possible the person that is supposed to be a scout that came to watch you. You may not even come for match. They see your training, you just sit down for one day and watch your training. So anytime you wear your training kits and you know, just protect it. Those 2 away matches and in the continent shows that you're now in that class. So I was very sure they would like to national team. I'm very sure. Just keep doing what you're doing. And obviously the national team really go to the just for you, just the level events. Don't put your hand in anything that make you lose for. Just be yourself.
Amas Obasogie come present Super Eagles jersey where dem print number 1 to the Deputy Governor to show him appreciation. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.